So in this problem, what is given to you is the sine alpha value, and it is 0.8, and the interval of the angle pi over 2 less than alpha less than pi. So the first thing what you are going to do, you have to check in which quadrant the angle is located. So if you draw this quadrant, the first quadrant, second, third, and this is the fourth quadrant. So this pi over 2 is here, right? And pi is here. So this means the angle is between this. So this is alpha, that means alpha, which is laid in this quadrant 2. So in the quadrant 2, this one is the x value is just negative, and the y value here it is positive. So that means the sine value will be y over r, that means y, it is positive. If you consider unit circle, you have to put 1 here, so the y value is just positive 1. The cosine value is the x value, which means minus over plus, which means negative value, and the tan value will be this sine over cosine, which is positive over negative, it will be negative. So you have to consider these values. Then let us now define this one. So you can use this formula to find the cosine value, because cosine is requested here tan is requested. Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So sine is given, then cos square alpha is equal to 1 minus sine square alpha. Then cos alpha is equal to the square root of 1 minus sine square alpha. So in this case, you can substitute 1 minus sine square, it is given 0.8 the whole square. Then you'll find, which means 1 minus 0.64. So it will be 0.36, then it will be 0.6. So as we said here, the sine value it is positive, so we'll consider the cos value it is negative, so you have to consider negative 0.6. Negative 0.6. So after finding this one, you can find the tan value. Tan alpha is equal to sine alpha over cos alpha. Then sine alpha is given here, it is 0.8 divided by 0.6. So it is negative, right? So it will be like just like 8 over 10 times, right? 10 over 6, which means 8 over 6, and it is negative 1, so it will be minus 4 over 3. This is tan value. This is the tan value, so you can use this formula to define the sine, and the cosine and the tan value of this within this interval. Thank you.